How to change caption language on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change caption language on YouTube app. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch YouTube application on your device. Log into your account. Head towards profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Now choose gear icon at top right corner to access settings section. From here you need to scroll down and under video and audio preferences section, select captions. You will reach on the section of caption preferences where you need to make sure to toggle the button on. If not, you won't be able to change caption language on YouTube app. So tap language after that, and here you can easily scroll down and choose any language according to your convenience. And after that, you can successfully change caption language on YouTube app. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.